Good afternoon, all. Am I audible? Okay, Dipiju. Just a minute. Good afternoon, all. Myself, Dr. Surendra Singh Dua. It is our third session, or you can say third practical for PC software and automation lab. In the last session, we have discussed about the some features of the Word, and in this session, we have also discussed camera. The camera is on, I think. Mohit Goswami. Camera is on from my side. So in the last session, we have discussed about the MS Word. In this session, we have discussed about some basic tabs: Home tab, File tab, Menu tab, and Insert tab, Layout tab, many tabs. So in this session, we have some practical and something about some short keys used in the Microsoft Word. So first of all, some guideline. I think you know all about that guidelines. Please uh, rename yourself with your original name, just like Dhoni. Kindly change your name by yourself. Otherwise, I will be remove you from the class, Mr. Dhoni. Rename yourself. Otherwise, I will be remove you from the class. So, learning objectives of today's session. In this session, we have discussed about the explain the purpose and use of tabs, alignment tool in the MS Word, identify the appropriate main merge option for the writing the letter, labels, email, etc. And design a newspaper style document using the multiple column, drop cap, and the images. So before to the move the further, we have discussed about the some inducting tags. Now, what is inducting tags? Just a minute, I have opened my pointer. Yes. So whenever you write your text in the paragraph form, so in the paragraph, first line having some distance from the starting of the paragraph. So this space is called tab. It is not provided by the space bar or space bar key of the keyboard. You have to use tab key or indexing options that are available in the Word file. So many kind of indexing are here in the words. If you want to remove the first line spacing, that is called indexing tags. It's maybe different types. Hanging indent. Hanging indent means your text is like this one. Means first line having start from the start of the tag. After the all lines having start some distance. So that is called hanging indent. Means only first line having justified, remaining all lines. Just a minute, my camera is on. Why? Okay, now it's visible. So this is called a hanging indent. Now to indent using the tab key. Tab key having available on your keyboard on the left side of your keyboard. Place the indent point every beginning of the paragraph you want to indent. Okay. So press the tab key. I will share a Word file. You can see in this Word file. Just a minute. So you can see in this example, it is my paragraph. Now, if I want to give the indent of this before this I, so we have to press tab key before this. My cursor is this side, and then press the tab key of my keyboard. Okay, so I will share my Word file so you can see easily. Now, it is my Word file. In this Word file, it is visible. Now I think it is. Just a minute. Due to some network issues, take time to share the file. Now I think it is visible. Now it's visible. Okay. Thank you. Due to some network issue. So in this Word file, if I want to give the indent of before this my name, so I press tab key. So you can see it is indent. In this second paragraph, it is indent. Okay. And the third paragraph, it is indent. So whenever you type the tab key, press the tab key, the sub indent is starting before your lines. Okay. So it is called tab indent using the tab key. Another how to provide without tab. So for this one, again, I have shared. In this Word file, if I want to give the indent without tab key, it is my original paragraph. So I can provide, if my cursor is this side, move this indent pointer from this. It will provide the indent. Now, if you want to provide the intent of the each paragraph or more than one paragraph, so you can select your paragraphs and then go to this key and move this like this. Your intent is provided like this. You can move as per this. So whenever you press and after the pressing the tab key, so your again intent is by only this one. It is called direct using the rural bar. It is called rural bar. Okay. Share my PPT. So it is called first line by the rule. Now indent marker. It is this one is also called indent marker. Many kind of indent are available. First line indent marker. This one is first line indent marker, hanging indent marker, and left indent marker. So indent using the indent marker, or this one, if I again share my Word file, you can see. Yes, it's my Word file. So here I convert into original file. So you can see if it is called a first line intent. Okay, this one. If I want to move all this one, it is called like this one. This one. Second bottom side. This one. It is called left intent. Left side intent. Okay, it is this one is first line intent. If I want to indent in the right side, so it is called right indent. This one. Again, there is some network issue. Yes. This one is called right intent. This one. Okay, right intent. It is my original data. I have to remove all indent with the backspace key. Now, if I want to hanging indent, so you can see it's hanging indent. This one, hanging indent means move this one in the right side and line in the left side. So that is called hanging indent. Means first line of the paragraph. It is a paragraph. This one is a new paragraph. So first paragraph first line is starting from the left side, remaining starting after the sub indent. It's maybe one from point 1, point 2, it is 1.5. So it is called hanging indent. I think you know, understand? Mohit, I think there is some issue in the network, so that's why. Now, so it is my PPT. So I can use this one. Okay, this execute. Now you can also provide the indent using the indent commands. Okay, like I share again my Word file. In this Word file, I remove all indent. So it is available on the Home tab and this one. It is provide a indent. Okay, it is provide the indent. If I not select the whole paragraph, only select this one and provide this one, it is indented. You can change indent using the paragraph setting. This one. Okay, from here. From here, you can provide the indent. Now it is a layout indent. It is for a tabular form. This one is for providing tabular the layout options. You can provide the indent using the layout option. Okay. In the layout tab, we have an option for indent, providing the indent in the Word file. You can see this is my Word file. In the layout tab, indent, if you want to left indent from there, 0 point or say 1 centimeter. Press enter. You can see it is provider left 1 centimeter indent. Right, again right 1 and press the enter. So it is provided in the right side. Before this one, is again 1. You can see this 1 and after this 1. So it is before and after spacing. It is for intent, it is for spacing. Spacing between the paragraph. If my spacing is 8 point, then spacing is increased. If it is 1 point, spacing is decreased like this one. Okay. So it is provide the intent and as well as a spacing. By this layout option, you can only provide the left intent and the right intent, not the line intent. Line intent only by the tab key of the keyboard and the first line ruler bar. Okay. So it is a tab key. Now you can also use these tabs key available in your Word file. In the Word file, in the on the top left, available a left tab key. It is again left tab key means your always whenever you click this one left tab is provided. The center tab is like this one. Right tab is like this one. Okay. Decimal tab for providing the decimal and bar tab this one. First line indent this one and hanging indent using both this one. It is called hanging indent. Sir, they have any short key open paragraph dialog box. I will be discuss short keys after this PPT in this slides. Now spelling check. If you want to check your spelling, so you have to right click of your mouse. One pop-up menu is open. Click on the spelling. If you want to preview your spelling, you can click on the preview. If you want to add your spelling in the dictionary, so click on the add on the dictionary button. It is, I think you all know about that, so skip this one. Now some keyboard shortkeys are used for the Word files as well as in the Excel sheet. So for open the new file, whenever your file is open, any Word file is open, and if you want to open a new Word file, then you click Control N. And you note, if your file is open, one file at least is open. And if you want to open a new Word file, then you press Control N. But if you want to open your Word file first time, then I already discussed in the last session how to open a new Word file. Okay. Now, if you want to open your already saved file that is saved in your computer, okay, so use Control O. Kindly note Control N for new file and already saved file. If you want to open already saved file, then Control O. Okay, Control W for close the document. One other option is Alt F4, but it is for all one. Control W for MS Office files. Alt F4 also for a quiet word. Okay. Control Z for undo the action. Control Y redo. Undo and redo already discussed in the last session. Okay. Control Shift plus key for the change font style. Control Shift P are used for change font style. Means Times New Roman, Calibri, it is a short key. Control plus bracket, curly bracket, is increase the font size by 1. Okay, I will explain in the Word file so you can easily understand. If I select my text and press Control plus curly bracket, close, so it is increase font size 1 by 1. It is decreased by the control plus curly bracket open key. Okay. This one. For increase by size 1 and decrease by size 1. It is close bracket and it is open bracket, curly bracket. Okay, control plus means press the control key with this bracket key. Okay, control shift P are used for change the font style. If you select your documents like this one and press control shift plus P, so it is open the your font tab. So you can change your font style like this one, Times New Roman to new one, italic, increase word size, and many more. So font options are open with the help of Control Shift plus P key. Okay. Now Control B for applying the bold formatting. If you want to your text having bold, so it is Control plus B. Control plus U applying the underline. Yes, Abhay. Control I for italic, Control Shift D for double underline. Control P for print document, Control plus 1 single space line, Control plus 2 double space line, Control plus 5 set 1.5 line spacing between the lines. If you're having some paragraph and in the line spacing, if you want to 1.5, so it is available in the with the help of Control plus 5 key. Control plus E, center paragraph. Control plus J, justified. Control plus L, it is L, not a I, it is L, small L. Okay. Control plus L is left aligned paragraph. Control plus R, right alignment of the paragraph. Okay. So it is the some shortkeys. Many shortkeys are available. You can search on the Google or on any other book. Many kind of shortkeys are available. So it is not times to all keys will be discussed. Okay. So having a two practical in your syllabus. First is creating and entering record in a mail merge. Now, what is mail merge? Mail merge is a documentation. Whenever if you want to send some specified document to the many people, but you only want to change the name of the people. For example, if you want to send the invitation to a people or many students or many relatives, and if you want to text of the document is not changed, only the header that is containing the name, designation, or you can say roll number or mobile number of the person only change. And if you want to say send this mail to the many people, many means up to 20, 30, 40, 70 and many more. So you don't need to type the letter of 20 times, 50 times or 100 times. Only one time you can write a letter on the single page, and this data will be merged with the Excel sheet. In the Excel sheet having the name of the peoples or area code of the people or mobile number or designation of the people. So you can merge these both files. Now, after the merging, you can send the data. You can print the data on the some invitation letter, or you can save in the form of PDF file. So let will be discuss this. So how to start the mail merge? First of all, choose the tool menu, then select the mail merge option. I will discuss here theoretical, then we will practically perform. Now choose in this Word file, go to the star mail merge and then select your type. If you want to email, then email. If you want to letter, then letter. If you want to type on the envelope, sometime we have to write some address on the envelope. Okay, so we can write with the help of this mail merge also. you can select your time. After that, indicate whether your active windows, okay, it is just for information. Now choose get data and then create data source. Now create data source means select your Excel sheet where you want to, where your data is available, which data you want to change, like a mobile number, like a name of the peoples. My voice is, I think voice is correct. Anyone having issue related to voice? Okay, no issue. Okay. Okay, Rahul, thank you. So now click the insert mail merge feed. Okay, so it is how we create. First of all, you required three kinds of data for creating the bundle. First of your Word file, in this your data, your template means your invitation letter having, okay. Data source means list of the receivers in the, it's maybe always in the Excel file, and then merge document that is called a personalized output. It is a three component for a mail merge. Now, how to perform the mail merge? First, open the Word file that is called template. This one. Then go to the mailing option, select receiver list using the existing list. If you have a existing list, so first off, it is the advice. First, you create your Excel sheet, then start the mail merge. Now choose the Excel file and select the sheet. Insert mail merge field, that is name, city, date, and so on. Click the finish and then individual documents to be preview and then preview, or you can send your documents. Okay, it is a mailing option in your Word file that is called mailing option. Select this start mail merge field. Here you select your receiving list that is in the form of Excel sheet. So let's move for the practical. On my, I share my entire screen. It is good. Okay, so it is my mail merge letter. In this letter, it is the invitation letter. So name of the students, roll number of the students, and mobile number of the student. Now, it is the contain the data you are cordially invited to our annual conference, which is held in the New York, okay, on May 2017, 2015. We look forward you to participate and hope to make the event memorable, okay, with regard to event. So again, I have some mail merge data in the form of Excel sheet. It is the name field, employee ID, mobile number, city name, date name. Means many person having attend the meeting in the different cities on the different dates. So first of all, start the mail merge option. So go to the mailing option. In the mailing option, go to the mail merge letter. Okay, it is my letter. Again, select the recipient list, new list, or using the existing list. I select using the existing list. My list is saved in the my computer location. I select my location. Okay, so it is my data. Click on the OK. Now edit list is open. Which you want to add it? Data source, many kind, mailing option. OK, click on the OK. Now my name field. Highlight merge field. So I delete this one. It is mobile number. This one, it is the city. Because it is already merged, so I first remove the previous data. Now, here after that, edit receipt list. Okay. Insert merge field. F1. First of all, select my A1, B1, C, D, E. Okay. So it is A. A is the name. A1. A1 is the name field. Second, insert field. It is testimony address book. Okay. Getting lines. Here. Name. A1 is the first name, then it is B1. Now, again, insert field, it is C1. Now, I called invited in here city name, that is insert D1 on, it is the date on F1. So, again, match field, then review the here is some error. So I create a new file. Invitation letter, name with the invitation letter, then type dear. After that, I want to name of the person. Is my letter. Now in this letter, I have to merge my field. So first of all, go to mailing, then start mail merge in the form of letter, select recipient list, use existing list. Existing lists are available in my folder. I select my location. After this, select my file from the location, insert, OK. Then select edit receipt list, data source, OK. Then insert field, one field are available, is the okay, here are many files. First of all, remove these files. Again, dear, select list. Again, go to the location. Just a minute. I save again my file at with book one name. So again, go to the merge, select recipient list. Use existing Excel sheet. Go to the my file. Okay, now it's work. Yes. So edit list. Select your data. All you want to all data. Here name, city, all data are available. Click on the OK. Now insert merge feed. Here I want to name dear with name. Then after employee ID. Now current after that his or her mobile number. Then you are cordially invited to our annual conference in here city name. So insert city name on the date. You can see on the date. Then all field are inserted. Then match field. Press OK. Now preview. You can see after the preview, it is show like this one. So if I want to see on the page number, you can see in my Excel sheet, first name is Elijah Smith, Bob Johnson, Charlie Lee, and so on, employee ID, mobile number, city name, and date. So whenever we click on the next, it's showing his and her name with employee ID, with mobile number, and with city name, and with the date. Now, if you want to go to the original data, so it is your original data. So if you want to bold the city name and that name, you can select and press the Control B key. After that, you can see it is merged, but it is not a finish. Now, if you want to finish, click on the finish merge and then print document, send by email or edit individual documents. You can select. I select print document. Then if I want to page number 1 to 50, click on the page 1 to 50. Okay. Then I want to save as a PDF. So I can save as a PDF file. So this PDF file is saved on the desktop with name file. So my file will be saved. It takes some time. Yes, now it's saved. So open the desktop. Just a minute. At the desktop, a file name. I open this PDF file. You can see all letter having with invitation name, first page, second page, third page, fourth page, and up to, because here are only 24 entries, so 24 page will be available for printed. And if you want to mail, you can individually mail this data. So in the every page having the name as per desired, particular person ID and the mobile number, place, and the date. It is called mail merge. I think you understand. If not, kindly type in the chat box if you have any query. If you have any query, type in the chat box. So again, I will explain in this PPT. First of all, you select your create envelope or label or merge field. Okay. Then start mail merge. This one. Select your requirement. Select recipient list. It having a drop down menu. It is called drop down menu. This one. It is contain the letter, email, messages, envelope, label, directly, normal Word document, step by step mail merge wizard. So you can select. Okay. It is a recipient list and menu. So it is called measurements. Okay, so it is our first practical. Now in the second practical, we have a create a newspaper document at least 200 words. It is our second practical. So in this first practical, this practical having also two practical, first and second one. Top margin is 1.5, bottom is 2, left is 2, right alignment is 1. Having some text in this text, headline is Gandhi Jayanti. Font size is 16. Font color is red. Font fade is Arial black. First letter dropped of the paragraph containing the picture at the right side and use three columns from the second paragraph. So I will share again Word file. First I open a Word file related because I have already typed data because it's time if I type data, so it takes some time. So I've already typed earlier. Yes, so that you can send individual using the mailing option. Okay, not select the letter option. Yes, at a one time. So it is the type data in this. You can see it is the letter in the it is having the 1.5 on the top. So first of all, you select your page, go to the layout, select the margin, custom margin, then select top margin is 1.5. Second margin is called bottom is 2. Left margin is again 2. And the right is 1. Press OK. So it is. Now in this first letter is called is a drop cap. So it is select drop cap like this one. It is drop cap. Having with red color. It is given in your question. So it is, sorry, it is white. This is red color. Now second is insert the picture of Gandhi ji from your device where your file is saved. In this, I save my Gandhiji picture on the right side. So select on the right side, but it is not looking good. So click on this wizard and select like this one. So it is like this. So it is just like a newspaper on the right side. Now in this question, again, I share the question to you. Question is that using three columns from the second paragraph used in the little half page. Okay, it is this one is done, this one is done. Okay, Gandhi Jayanti is remaining. Adder is Gandhi Jayanti. So I will again share the Word file. Topic of the header is Gandhi Jayanti. Just a minute. So this one. Move this one first of all. So go to the insert. No. Now my header is Gandhi Jayanti. It is font size is Arial black. Font size is 16 with red color in the center. Now R is in the top. Now in the second, the two paragraph having three table columns. So insert the the layout column. You can select three columns. So it is distributed your paragraph in the, you can see in the, just like a newspaper style. Okay, having three columns. First column start from here. This one is second column, and it is second paragraph. Now in the paragraph, if you want to change the paragraph spacing, this paragraph spacing, so go to the layout tab in the column width. If you want to change the width, you can see change the width of your column. You can select and give to the OK. You can see the width is increased, means size between the this column is decreased. You can create your file in the column. Spacing between column you can change like this one. Means spacing between the columns is change. Okay, so it is three column. If you want to two column, then select your data, go to the layout, select column and two columns. Now given is three columns. So it is my first practical. You can see in this practical it is three column. Second paragraph take the half page. Now second practical is computer basic heading, creating the paragraph with two columns till the end of the pages. Again, I share my document. The same file, it is computer basic. Select Times New Roman. Font size is 16. Text is red. Now, if you want to this header in the capital letter, so go to the this option in the home tab and select uppercase. So all letter will be changed automatically in the capital letter. Now, given is that select the all paragraph and layout in the two columns. So it is two columns. Two column. Is in the two column. Because in the too many space in the end. So first of all, remove the space from the end. Now, it is in the two paragraph. Now, if you want to change the font size or font, so select your data, then go to the Times New Roman. To change the font size. Okay. Now again, if you want to change the width between the column, then you can change using the board setting, and width will be 1 centimeter between the columns. Now again, width is increase of the column. It is called in the newspaper style. So it is your two practicals given in your syllabus. So it is a paragraph, computer passive paragraph, okay, given in your syllabus. How to change the margin? Select the page layout tab and then select the margin. Top margin, bottom margin, left margin, and right margin. Okay. How to change the heading? Select the heading Gandhi Jayanti, then go to the select font style, change Arial black, font size 16, text color is red. Okay. Drop cap menu. How to select drop cap menu? You first letter, select the first letter, then on the insert tab in your Word file, select drop cap option and select your first letter and select as a trap code. Insert the column, go to the layout, select the column, one column, two column, three column, and many more. Okay. It is the drop cap menu. Okay. So you can select your right. Now, creating the you said select the layout and then select the column. This one is a column style. Okay. Now, if you want to add a number of column as per your need or as per your requirement, more than 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you can select, because in the default only some options are available. Okay. So it is just a minute. Again, I go to the main document. In this document, if I want to insert more than 2, then go to the layout. You can see only 3 options are available. But I want to more than 3, then go to the option and number of columns. If I want to, number of columns are 5, then select and go to the 5. So you can see it is 5 columns are available, but data is less, so it is not to the 5. So I provide some enter. You can see in the 5 column. So it is in the 5 column. Okay. So you can insert manually as per requirement. Default only 3 columns options are available. So you can select. Okay, it is a spacing and it is a width is changed. Okay, so first of all, you select your column, then select the spacing and line between them. And press the OK key. Okay, now if you want to break after a sub paragraph, for example, if I want to give the break after the this paragraph, so go to the layout option, this one, and give the break page. You can see page is break. New column will be started. Okay, if I want to give there from the new page, it is just like a page break. It is column break. This one is column break, and this one is page break. So remove the page break. It is column break. Break the column. If you want to give the line number, you can provide this. Okay, so it is your practical. it is discussed. This one is also discussed. So one more question is that how to insert the equations. So for insert the equation, it is my Word file. It is giving the numbering. So go to the last, remove the number lines, none. Okay. Now if I want to insert the equation, okay, so go to the insert tab, select type the equation. Okay. Now if I want to write x square, then go to the script and type here x square, then again plus. Now insert, I want to insert x to the power 4. Go to the script and x to the power 4. So x square plus x to the power 4 equal to 0. Many kind of equations default available in your the Word. You can see it is the area of circle. You can insert your own equation. Insert equation like this one. Integration form, summation form, bracket form. Now, if you want to insert in the matrix, in your basic mathematics, first year subjects having a matrix. So if you want to insert the matrix, then use this matrix option. Okay, in this matrix options, many kind of 3 by 3, 2 by 2, 2 by 3, many options are available. Okay, this one, mainly we use this one, 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix, first column is 1, first row is 1 and 2, second row is 3 and 4. So it is 2 by 2 matrix. You can insert. If you want to insert some symbol like omega, like delta, you can select more symbols, and many kind of symbols are available in this wizard. You can see and insert as per your need. Many kinds of options are available. So if I want to insert omega, then select it is omega. If I want to insert degree, so it is degree. Like I want to write 90 degree, type 90, then degree. It is 90 degree. So you can insert your equations. Okay. So it is the end of the session. If you have any query, type in the chat box. If you have any query, type in the chat box. Learning outcomes of today's session. Thank you, Rahul. In this session, we have demonstrated using the indexing tab setting, layout adjustment in the MS Word, apply the formatting tools and keyboard shortcut key of efficiency document creation, perform spell check and grammar checking. It is just for the introduction. Create the mail merge option, okay, and develop the newspaper style document with proper formatting column and images. We can send it individual to everyone. And yes, yes, Sudha. Jishu, welcome. So I think it is enough for the session. In the next session, we have discussed about the Excel sheets. Okay, some basic formulas of Excel, how many types of Excel, some practicals on the Excel sheet. So thank you. Happy learning.